Hey everybody, it's Jetty with J&J True Outdoor Adventures. I'm out here deer hunting on the second week of the West Virginia firearm season, and it's kind of slow right now. It's about 2:15, 2:20, and I wanted to give a report. I done a video a while back on the Camillus knife that you can buy at Walmart for $9.99, $10. This is not the one with the gut hook. It's down here in my backpack. Let me pause the video. Okay, here it is in my backpack. Now, I made the sheath for this, if you remember. It's off here. It's kind of hard doing this with your phone and everything. But here's the sheath I made for it. Of course, I put a lanyard on it. This is the knife I used during bow season, and just want to say this thing still has a sharp edge even after you've seen me baton wood with it. I've done some shavings with it. I batoned some logs with it, and really never touched it up after that. And I've used this to skin a doe that I took opening week of our West Virginia bow season, and I'm still carrying it, hopefully to use on a buck. Now, I've got a stick here. I don't know if I can do this holding the camera or not. This is what you see. Could still do a feather stick. Sorry about the fingers in the video feed. Yep, just snapped in half on me. But I'm just here to say this Camillus knife, even though it's a $10 knife at Walmart, this is a great knife. I have no complaints other than the sheath, which, like I said, I made my own leather sheath for it. Put a little fire steel on it. So, there you go. The Camillus knife from Walmart. Not a bad tool to have, whether you're hunting in the woods or you're on a survival.